In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can access the paid AI tools you currently use for free. That's right, if you normally use AI tools to generate videos, create images, develop apps, or even if you use paid chat services for your daily tasks, the method I'm bringing you today will let you do all of these completely for free. So, if you watch this video properly and follow the steps correctly, you can save 100% of the money you've been spending on AI tools. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video and see how you can access all these paid tools for free. Okay, now I'll explain step by step how to get this work done. So, first of all, what you have to do is come to this website through the link provided in the description below. Then, you'll see a post like this right here. Just click on that. Once the post opens, it'll look like this. After that, scroll down a little and click on this Click Here button. And that's it. You can quickly visit the site I'm talking about today. Okay, so if you came to this site that way, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you can generally see that there's a chat service, just like ChatGPT. You can use this chat service for your work. Now, if you're using this chat service, there's something important I want to tell you. You can see a battle option at the top. When you hover your mouse over it, two more options will appear. The first option is a battle between two anonymous models. The second option lets you compare two models. And the third one is for direct chat. I don't need the first two options right now, so I'm selecting direct chat. But you should definitely try those first two as well, because you can get a brand new experience from them, something you probably haven't had before. Alright, so if you've selected direct chat, you'll now see an option to choose the AI model you want. Here, you can find a large number of paid AI models, as well as free ones. You just need to select the model you want from here. Once you've selected the AI model, all you have to do is type what you need and press enter. After that, it'll analyze your question and give you a really good response. Alright, so now I'm going to try out a few AI models for you. First, let's try the Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model. All you have to do is select the AI model, write your prompt, and press enter. Here, I told it that it's a good fitness coach and asked it to give me a daily routine to build up my muscles and body. Then, after thinking deeply, it wrote a really good answer for me just like this. Okay, so you can see the result it gave me here. Actually, this Gemini 2.5 Pro model analyzed my question really well and gave me a great response. Okay, now I'll try out and show you another AI model. So, now I'm going to show you how to build an application through this site. First of all, you need to click on the Build Apps and Websites option right here. Then you type in a prompt about how you want your web app to be created and hit enter. So, the prompt I've given contains a request to create a simple web app that can calculate age. Then, you can see the two AI models like a battle developing our web app, according to our prompt. Alright, after a few minutes, you can see that these two AI models have analyzed our request well and developed two really good web apps. So, how are these two AI models really? Pretty cool, right? You can even complete a professional level project through this method, even without any coding knowledge. Okay then, let's try out these web apps one by one. First, let's test the first web app. Here, we have to provide our birthday, and optionally, if we want, we can also provide the time we were born. Then, you can see our age is automatically calculated right below. Okay, now let's try the second one. Same as before, give your birthday and the time of birth if needed. Then, you can see our age is automatically calculated below, just like the previous one. Alright, so that's how we developed a web app using this tool. Well, I don't see anything wrong with either of the apps, but the second application has a slightly more professional look than the first one. Okay, now let's see how to create AI images through this site. All you have to do is click on the Generate Image button right here. Then, from here, select the image generation AI model you want. This time, I'll select the Gemini Nano Banana AI model, which is one of the best models for generating images. Then, you need to give the prompt required to generate your image right here. So, this time, I'll write my prompt and hit enter. My prompt is, create an image of a snow-covered city. After a few minutes, you can see that it has created a really nice image just as I requested. So, how's the quality of the image? Pretty impressive, right? Comment your opinion below as well. Okay, so far, I've shown you 3 different AI models that can be used for various tasks. This site actually has a lot of other AI models, but it would take too much time to try them all. That's why I only tried one AI model for each different type of task. However, I haven't told you yet how to create videos using this. Now, I'll tell you how to do that as well. So, all you have to do is go to the section called Leaderboard and click on the text-to-video feature. Then, you'll see a button at the top that says Visit Arena. Click on that. It will open through their Discord server. If you don't have a Discord account, don't worry, you can simply sign up using your Gmail and then come back here. Once you've clicked on the Visit Arena button, you'll see an interface like this. On the side, you'll notice several video models called Video Arena. Just select one of your choice from there. After selecting a model, come down to the typing area and type. Then, provide the prompt you want to use for your video and press enter. After that, it will create your video within a few minutes. In addition to this text-to-video feature, they also offer features like image-to-video. Alright, in just a few minutes, it has created my video. So, this is the video I made. Now, let me tell you how to download it. To do that, simply click on the download icon above the video, and your video will be downloaded. Okay, so that's how I completely explained in this video how you can access paid AI tools completely free and through a legal method. I wasn't able to try all the AI models, but I did test a few of the most important ones. So, definitely don't forget to try the other AI models in this as well. So, how was today's video? If you think it was good, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to show your support. Well then, let's meet again with a brand new video like this. Have a great day, everyone.